Hi everyone. So we are in the last month of 2020, and how about enhancing and upgrading our knowledge to heal our patients? So I'm Dr. Komal Gandhi, consulting nutritionist at the Other Song, and we are coming up with a web series for the month of December, which is the role of diet and nutrition in healing patients, and how can you amplify your results along with your homeopathic treatment so that patients recover faster and better, and the disease goes off from the root. So here in this webinar, what I will be talking about is, first is obesity. So I will be taking in brief all the causes of obesity, and what stops, or what kind of makes a person laid back in taking steps towards reducing weight. We all know obesity can lead to a plethora of diseases, and I will be also sharing cases, interesting cases. For instance, we had a case of rheumatoid arthritis, and she was bedridden for more than a year, and she was on homeopathic treatment, and she was weighing 100 kilos, and in a span of 9 months after she consulted us for diet and nutrition, she lost her weight to 86 kilos. Now, isn't that really interesting? And how difficult it is in fact a feat that she has achieved. Yes, with her dedication and constant motivation and support that we provide. So how can you do that for your patients? So this is what I will be covering, some live cases, also practical stuff I will be sharing with you. Second most important topic that I'm going to talk about is diabetes mellitus. We all know that once a person is suffering from diabetes mellitus, there are many other complications that can happen. So it is really important to control your blood sugar levels at the earliest. And in fact, we've seen even the pandemic, diabetes mellitus patients are more prone to a COVID infection and take a lot more time to recover. So I will be talking about reversal of diabetes mellitus type 2 with whole food plant-based diet, and I will also be covering the basics with which you should begin with a diabetic patient till he or she gets to a healthy lifestyle, right? Third, very important topic, women form the backbone of every family, and I am going to cover all the phases and stages that a woman goes through in her life in terms of diet and nutrition. So I will be talking about puberty, pregnancy, menopause, and even clinical conditions such as PCOD or endometriosis, and so on and so forth. Last but not the least, I'm going to talk about the gut health, which is really important. If your gut flora and bacteria are healthy, it is more likely that you will not suffer from diseases. Okay, so I'm going to talk about how to make your gut health really good and have the good flora and bacteria, and I will also be highlighting certain clinical conditions such as the irritable bowel syndrome or inflammatory bowel diseases, that is your ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. I will be talking about gastrointestinal infections, etc. Right? So do enroll for this webinar and enhance your knowledge so that you can have a much more successful 2021. Thank you.